here we are, 18th of August, and harvest log, I think it's about day 14. We are just down the road on the neighbouring farm, cutting the last field of spring barley. It's about 20 past 8 at night, and as you can hear and see from the way the straw is behaving out the back of the combine, it's getting a bit chewy. It started off after the rain the day before yesterday. Had some really heavy thunderstorms. Started off about 17% moisture, and it's down to around 15 now, but it will just start to creep up. It's been a mixed crop. This is actually a really good bit of the field here. Bit right at the top there, just under the hedge. Couldn't actually plant that. It was so wet when we were here at the end of March. So it'd be nice to get the next crop established in here, which will be oilseed rape. We've got some biosolids to spread on here, the contractors have, and then hopefully we'll get the rape drilled in the next few days, and we'll be able to report on its progress. It's a little bit borderline in terms of timing for oilseed rape. We've actually put some cabbage stem flea beetle traps out in these fields already to have a monitor to see what the adult population is like, and then we'll make a decision when the muck's been spread to see if we're going to put the rape in the ground or not. See how we get on.